Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video where we dive into the world of protein. Today, I'm ranking the best protein foods based on science. Protein is absolutely vital for our health. It builds muscle, repairs tissue, and keeps our immune system strong. So let's jump right in and see which foods top the list. First up, we have lean meats. Chicken breast is a powerhouse of protein, offering 27 grams per 3-ounce serving. It's versatile and can be grilled, baked, or added to a hearty salad. Next, we have turkey breast with 24 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's a great low-fat option and perfect for those holiday roasts. And let's not forget lean beef, packing in 22 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's a staple for those classic comfort dishes. Now let's dive into the sea. Salmon is not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but also provides 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, perfect for those brain-boosting meals. Shrimp comes next with 19 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's quick to cook and great for a light, nutritious dinner. And our good old tuna, with 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, is fantastic for sandwiches and salads. Moving on to dairy and eggs. Greek yogurt is a protein superstar with 20 grams per 6-ounce serving. It's creamy, delicious, and perfect for breakfast or a snack. Eggs provide 6 grams of protein per large egg. They're quick, easy, and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Cottage cheese is another excellent choice with 28 grams of protein per cup. It's great on its own or as a topping for fruits and veggies. Don't forget legumes. Lentils offer 18 grams of protein per cup and are excellent in soups and stews. Chickpeas provide 15 grams of protein per cup. They're fantastic in salads or as crunchy roasted snacks. Black beans with 15 grams of protein per cup are a staple in many delicious dishes. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty. Almonds pack in 6 grams of protein per ounce. They're great for snacking or adding to your morning oatmeal. Chia seeds offer 5 grams of protein per ounce and are perfect for a quick pudding or smoothie. Hemp seeds come with 10 grams of protein per ounce and add a nice crunch to salads and bowls. And for our plant-based friends, we have some amazing options. Tofu provides 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's super versatile and absorbs flavors beautifully. Tempeh offers 15 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's nutty, firm, and great in stir-fries. And last but not least, seitan, with a whopping 21 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's the meat substitute that even meat lovers can enjoy. So there you have it, the best protein foods ranked by science. Whether you're a meat lover, a seafood enthusiast, or a plant-based eater, there's something here for everyone. Fuel your body with these amazing protein sources and feel the difference in your health and energy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and nutrition insights. Stay healthy, friends.